canal. And my name is Isabel. And today I have cicadas. Yo tengo cicadas. No se mueven, solo cuando me muevo yo. ¿Ven? ¡Ay! Se dieron vuelta. All of them are boys. And how do I know? Because they have a lot of red in their skin. Son muy lindas, they're very pretty, but it's kind of scary. But if you're afraid of them, si tienes miedo, no la debes que tener miedo mucho. Sí, es un poquitito ticklish in tu dedo. It's a bit ticklish in your finger. If you're scared of it, then you don't have to grab them. All of them are males, machos. And some of them you think they're kind of not cute at all. And also, I got one that it was white and it transformed just like this one. And they're very, well, sometimes cute. Bye guys, don't forget to put like, subscribe, and the bell. Chao amiguitos, no se olviden poner like, suscribirse a mi canal y poner la campanita. Chao.